Welcome to Learn English 30 Days Challenge. Today, we will learn 1 patterns of English speaking. Get a notebook and a pen, or if that's not convenient, just listen carefully. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the next part of the 30-day challenge. Day 3. I'm good at plus skill activity. Meaning, this pattern is used to show that you have the ability or skill to do something well. The skill or activity goes after at. Situation 1. Talking about personal skills or talents. 2. Discussing abilities in school or work. 3. Highlighting strengths and hobbies or sports. 4. Talking about professional or career-related skills. 5. Sharing skills in casual conversations. Examples: talking about personal skills. I'm good at drawing. I'm good at singing. I'm good at writing stories. I'm good at cooking simple meals. I'm good at solving puzzles. Discussing abilities in school or work. I'm good at mathematics. I'm good at public speaking. I'm good at writing reports. I'm good at using computers. I'm good at learning new languages. Highlighting strengths and hobbies or sports. I'm good at soccer. I'm good at tennis. I'm good at swimming. I'm good at cycling. I'm good at dancing. Talking about professional or career skills. I'm good at designing websites. I'm good at data analysis. I'm good at managing projects. I'm good at negotiating. I'm good at teaching others. Sharing skills in casual conversations. I'm good at memorizing names. I'm good at organizing events. I'm good at telling jokes. I'm good at taking photos. I'm good at giving advice. Conversation. Talking about personal skills. Repeat after me. Do you have any creative hobbies? Do you have any creative hobbies?
I'm good at drawing. I'm good at drawing.
Can you sing well? Can you sing well?
Yes, I'm good at singing. Yes, I'm good at singing.
Discussing abilities in school or work. Which subject do you excel in? Which subject do you excel in?
I'm good at mathematics. I'm good at mathematics.
Are you confident speaking in front of a class? Are you confident speaking in front of a class?
Yes, I'm good at public speaking. Yes, I'm good at public speaking.
Highlighting strengths and hobbies or sports. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports?
I'm good at soccer. I'm good at soccer.
Can you swim well? Can you swim well?
Yes, I'm good at swimming. Yes, I'm good at swimming.
Talking about professional or career skills. Are you able to design websites? Are you able to design websites?
Yes, I'm good at designing websites. Yes, I'm good at designing websites.
Can you analyze data for work? Can you analyze data for work?
Yes, I'm good at data analysis. Yes, I'm good at data analysis.
Sharing skills in casual conversations. Are you good at remembering things? Are you good at remembering things?
Yes, I'm good at memorizing names. Yes, I'm good at memorizing names.
Can you help plan the party? Can you help plan the party?
Sure, I'm good at organizing events. Sure, I'm good at organizing events.
Pause the video and take a screenshot or write the question in your notebook. Then share your answer in the comment box. Let's take a short break and focus on listening. Never lose hope. Hope is the light that guides you through difficult times. Even when life feels heavy or confusing, holding on to hope gives you strength to continue. Your dreams matter, and your future still has so many possibilities. Every challenge you face is temporary, but the hope inside you can stay strong forever. Believe that better days are coming and trust that your hard work will lead you to a brighter path. When things don't go as planned, it's normal to feel discouraged. But remember, every successful person has faced moments of doubt and disappointment. What helped them move forward was the belief that their situation could improve. Hope keeps you moving when everything feels slow. It reminds you that failure is not the end, it's just a lesson that helps you grow stronger and wiser. Hope also gives you the courage to try again. When you believe in your future, you find the strength to take small steps even on tough days. Each step brings you closer to your dreams. With patience, effort, and a hopeful mindset, you can rise above any challenge. Your journey may not be easy, but your determination makes it possible. Never forget that hope lives inside you. Hold it close, protect it, and let it guide you. As long as you never lose hope, you will always find a reason to stand up again. Your future is full of opportunities, and every new day gives you another chance to grow, learn, and move toward the life you want. Keep going, you are stronger than you think.